What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically color grade your footage in DaVinci Resolve. So if you have any video that you want to color grade and you simply don't know what is the best color to choose for it, there's an easy way how to do this. So what you want to do, once you have your video on your timeline guys, all you have to do is click on color at the bottom and you want to look for the color section here. So you'll find the color wheel. You want to simply click on that. And what you want to do, once you click on the color wheel, there's a bunch of options that's going to appear, right? Normally, you will be able to change your gamma, your gain, and also play around with the contrast, tint, and so forth. But if you don't want to go through that because you don't know how to do it and you simply want to have a quick and easy and allow DaVinci Resolve to find the best color grading for your videos. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. If you look towards the left hand side, you'll find an A. It simply means auto balance. If you click on that, it's going to quickly auto balance your video for you. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Just ensure that you have your video on your timeline, and once you click on auto balance, you should see that difference. Now you might not see much of a difference with this video because I already used this approach to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply go ahead and add another video here where you can easily see the difference, right? So I'm going to add another video here onto the timeline, and let me just go ahead and remove this video here. So have a look at this video here. You can see the colors within this video, right? Now if I go back to the color wheel and do the auto balance on this, have a look at the difference with the video. You see the color changes now, and the girl look more vibrant, the background look different, the buildings have a bit more color, and so much more. So that's it. That's the easiest way and the best way if you don't know what to do to quickly auto balance and auto color grade your videos in DaVinci Resolve. It's very easy and very simple guys. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.